Good morning, children. Let's see today's thought. Ahimsa paramo dharma. Ahimsa means non-violence. Dharma means religion, and parama means greatest. Non-violence is the greatest religion. Now, children, on the first page or on the very first page of your textbook, topic is given Pathata Bodhata. You have to open that page and then we will start that topic. The topic is Samayah, the timing. In this, we are going to study the timings in Sanskrit language. In the first one, you have been given there Kaha Samayah, and you have been given some pictures there. Ekavadanam, Dvivadanam, Trivadanam, Chaturvadanam, Panchavadanam. That means Ekavadanam means 1 o'clock, Dvivadanam 2 o'clock, Trivadanam 3 o'clock, Chaturvadanam 4 o'clock, Panchavadanam 5 o'clock. Below it, this picture is given, and in that some words are given in Sanskrit and clocks are given showing different timings there. And here balakah balika kada kim karoti means when they are doing what, which things, it is given clockwise. So we are going to study it. Shadavadane uttisthati, that is he or she gets up at 6 o'clock. Shadavadane 6 o'clock. Then Sapada Shadavadane Dantadhavanam Karoti, that is Sapada Shadavadanam. Shadavadanam means 6 o'clock. Then Sapada Shadavadanam means after 15 minutes of 6 o'clock, that is at 6:15 or at 6:15. 1-5. Dantadhavanam Karoti means he or she brushes teeth. Then Sardha-shadavadane snanam karoti. Now here you can see both the arrows are pointing towards 6. That is Sardha-shadavadane. Sardha means ardha. So ardha. That means after 30 minutes of 6 o'clock. That is 6:30. That is 6:30. At 6:30 he or she takes bath. Padona saptavadane adhyayanam karoti. That means 45 minutes after 6 o'clock or 15 minutes remaining to 7 o'clock. That is on 6:45. Padona saptavadane, that means at 6:45 adhyayanam karoti. That means she studies or he or she studies. Then Ashtavadane Pratarasham Karoti. Ashtavadane is same as the Shadavadane means 6 o'clock. Ashta means 8. Vadane means at 8 o'clock. He takes Pratarasham means breakfast. He or she takes breakfast. Then Navavadane. Now here Vadane means at this o'clock. At what time? Nava means 9 o'clock. Dvichakrikaya shalam gacchati. He or she goes to school by bicycle. Dvichakrikaya means by his cycle or bicycle. Then Sardha Panchavadana Paryantam. Now here we will split the word. Sardha Panchavadanam Paryantam. Sardha means Saardha, that means half past. Panchavadanam 5 o'clock. Half past 5. At half past 5 Paryantam. Shalatah Gruham Agachati means he or she comes home from school by 5:30. Now we will see this in detail. Now you will look in your book at this page so that you can understand all these figures and all these words very easily. Now, Shadavadanam, 6 o'clock. That is 6. It could be AM or it could be PM. But since they are going to school, it should be AM. But we will not write it AM or PM. Then, Sapada Shadavadanam. Now see children, Shadavadanam, 6 o'clock. Sapada, after 15 minutes. You have to remember this because in your examination or in your test, you will be asked like this. What is meant by Sapada Shadavadanam? Write the timing for Sapada Shadavadanam. You have to write the 6:15 or whatever the answer could be. Now, Sapada Shadavadanam. Now you have to split the word in two parts. First part will be Shadavadanam, that is 6 o'clock. It is confirmed that it is about 6. Then Sapada means after 15 minutes of 6 o'clock, that is 6:15. That is 6:15. That is 6:15. Then here also Sardha Shadavadanam. Shadavadanam is one part and Sardha is another part. Shadavadanam, it is related to 6 o'clock. But what time it should be? Sardha means Ardha. That means after Ardha. That means after 30 minutes of 6 o'clock. That is 6:30. That is 6:30. Then Padona Saptavadanam. That is 6:45. That is 6:45. Then Padona means 45 minutes. You should remember this. But Saptavadam, if it is written there Padona Saptavadanam, it means that you have to write Padona means 45 and Sapta before one number, that is 6. Then Ashtavadanam, again 8 o'clock. Sardha Panchavadanam. Again here we have to make two parts. Panchavadanam means it is related to 5 o'clock. But Sardha means after Ardha, that is after 30, that is 5:30. That means 5:30. I think you have understood this. Now, what is your homework? You will write the following timings in Sanskrit. It is very easy. 12:30. 12:30 means 30 minutes after 12 o'clock. 7:15. 15 minutes after 7 o'clock. 8:30. 30 minutes after 8 o'clock. Then you have to write the timings of following words in English. Sapada Dashavadanam. Again you have to bifurcate this word in two parts. Sapada and Dashavadanam. Dashavadanam, it is related to 10 o'clock and you will write the timing according to the words. Padona Ashtavadanam. Sardha Saptavadanam. You have to write this and you will practice this by taking different timings from your textbooks. And you will write this homework in your copy. Thank you.